Friends, Diecast people, and good all around. I'm Big Elvis. This is the Big Elvis Diecast review. We're going to do some, well, as you can see, I got my Johnny Lightning shirt on. So we're going to do some Johnny Lightnings today. Got about 5 or 6. We're going to open up some older stuff, damaged cards and such. So let's flip it around and check out what we got. All right, our first one up is from the British Invasion collection, and it is a 1960 MGA 1500 twin cam. There she is. As you can see, lots of card wear and damage to that. Probably got some worth still. I know these types are getting harder and harder to find. I do enjoy keeping the cards with them because, well, I get to know what they are later in life as I get older and forget. Lots of protection in this pack. A little bubble behind the bubble to keep your car from being absolutely destroyed. But here she is. We'll get him out of the package and check it out. Pretty heavy. So there it is. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a little extra light on the subject. There she is. Pretty nice. Looks like it's got a good hood opening feature, maybe. I'm not sure which way this hood will open, but it does want to open. So there is the engine inside, that twin cam engine. Nice details, of course painted up front, all nice and good. Convertible with the details for the gauges and the shift and all. MGB. Your tail lights there. Pretty cool. Nice little windscreen. It is metal on metal. It is Johnny Lightning. Let's see if we can get some information. Playing Mantis. 2000 copyright date. It's pretty cool. As she rolls around up there, you can kind of look. Our next one is another from the British Invasion. And as you can see, it has some card damage. It is a 62 Jaguar E-Type Roadster. Another very cool little European car, British car. And there is the card. No information on the back of the card. Sometimes they do. Yes, sometimes they do. Another one from that 2000 era. Of course, comes in the bubble. Very nice. And front end opens up so you can see the detail motor inside. Right hand drive on this one. You can see the gauges and such. Painted details for the bumpers and the lights. Nice set of rims. Whoa. As I whip it across the room here. Nice details. Of course, these are all painted up details, and this is a Johnny Lightning as well. 1999 Playing Mantis. Metal on metal with the real rubber tires. I do like that. Let's take him off. We'll put him down below. Let the little Jag float around up here. We're going to stay over in the European market just for a minute. How about let's do a Volkswagen Carmagia. Pretty cool. This one comes with the car cover. Card's not too bad on this one, but I am going to crack it open. I know some people say don't crack them vintage cars, but you know, you crack what you like, and I figure, well, it comes up, makes it maybe worth some more money to somebody down the road. Little Volkswagen Carmagia. Painted up details. This car is copyrighted for RC2 in 2005. It is Johnny Lightning, Flying Mantis 2004. There's the casting number there on the back. Pretty cool car. And what's really neat with this one, it comes with a little car cover that you can put onto your car to keep dirt and debris off of your vehicle. I know, give me a little second there. So there it is with the car cover. Pretty cool. So the car cover fits on there pretty nicely. Carmen Gia. And if you don't want the car cover on, it's just like a real car cover. It comes right off. So there it is with the car cover. All right. How about some American bred cars? Here we are. 72 Buick Riviera. Super 70s car. This one was copyright for 2002 Flying Mantis. Now, Flying Mantis, they did a lot of cars. Real body, real metal bottom. And there it is. Copyright date is 2002, of course. There is your diecast number, your casting number. This one does have the plastic tires. Does have a hood opening feature, which is nice. And as you can see, details under the engine. The engine's painted up. Pretty cool. Will that hood close nicely? It does close pretty nicely. That boat tail, as they called it, Buick Riviera. I do like the Rivieras. That is pretty cool. Let's pull this one off. Get our next one up there. The Buick Riviera. Headlights, nicely done. Vinyl top. Oh yeah, and that famous boat tail. Our next one up, we're going to do the 69 Chevy Impala. The Impala Parade Series. This one comes with a coaster that you can use to keep your drinks and such from tearing up your table. And this one is pretty cool as well because it is convertible top and hood opening with engine detailing, engine compartment detailing. Convertible top up, and I know the same casting, you can also get it with the convertible top down. Red line wheels around it, Impala SS. There's that big SS grill. Now the Johnny Lightning stuff always kind of made me wonder about how they do their tires. It is a two-piece wheel and tire, or two-piece wheel that keeps the tire on. But pretty cool nonetheless. And that blue 69 SS convertible Impala with real rubber tires. You got to always like the real rubber tires. And last but not least for our Johnny Lightning tonight is the Mercury Cyclone. Oh yes, and this was an anniversary edition of the Cyclone. So it does come with the little collector coin. which are pretty cool. The collector coins. This one tells about it. The 71 Cyclone. This was 16 of 20 cars, and there is, of course, my big fingerprint there. Johnny Lightning limited edition coin. Cyclone does have an opening hood. Motors in there. Looks like some separate pieces even. Cyclones did have that really wild looking front end as opposed to Torino. Beautiful car. Love the stripes. What's it say there on the side? Spoiler. Cyclone spoiler, I think is what they were called. Does have the 10th anniversary rubber on it, so you can know it's an anniversary car. There are the tail lights, rear end. This one is metal on metal. Oh, it feels like metal on metal. But I think it's plastic. I think this base is actually plastic. There is the casting number. There is some detailing in there. It's metal. Beautiful car, though. So that is the cars for tonight. Johnny Lightning. I'm glad you tuned in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give us a like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Get the algorithm out there so more people can see the Big Elvis Diecast review. We thank you so much. Stay safe out there. Take care of yourself.